So all your components for your 7000 SM motor are here on the table. So now we're going to install the motor onto the mounting bracket. Make sure it's flush on both sides. Now using your 2.5mm Allen key, tighten the motor onto the shaft, which allows it to swivel up and down, and this will set the tension on your belt. Now I've already inserted one of the 14mm bolts onto the adjustment rod. Now it'll go into the mounting bracket, onto the motor support, and then we're going to put our other 14mm nut on top. So this will allow us to adjust the motor up and down for belt tension.